Hi guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add payment method in Canva. If you guys are new to the channel, if you could give us a like and consider subscribing, that would be amazing. Okay, let's get straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing that you want to do is open up your web browser and then come across canva.com and sign into your account. After you do that, you want to click onto your profile icon in the top right hand corner of the page and then click onto the settings option that appears in the drop down menu. Now, in the settings page, if you take a look at the menu on your left-hand side, under the personal section, you're going to see this billing and plans. So give it a click, and then in this page, if you click onto the purple add a payment method right here, a pop-up window will appear asking you to choose your payment method. So for example, you can choose Gcash, or you can go down here to the option of adding credit or debit card and enter your card information. And of course, you have the third option of choosing PayPal as your payment method. Once you choose the payment method you'd like to use, you can go ahead and click onto the purple connect or save button down here. And finally, you can follow the steps to confirm your linked payment account. So that's it. That's how to add payment method in Canva. I hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.